All right, so I don't know how good the sound is here. I'm actually recording from a microphone, and then I'm flying the drone manually with my phone here. I'm just gonna do kind of like a test. So this is just kind of for fun. I'm not really doing anything serious today. But what you guys see in the distance there, that's actually Kathmandu, and I'm gonna be kind of testing to see how far the drone can fly. It did record the home the home area, so the return to home function should work. The home point, I guess. And I'm just going to fly around the homestay here a little bit so you guys can see what the area looks like here. So that's the homestay I'm staying at. It's it's where I'm flying from manually right now. And the town of Nagarkot's actually up higher, so I'm gonna fly this like just vertically up a lot further, and see if there's any interference or anything like that. I think the range for the Neo 2 is like 100 meters, maybe 300 meters, something like that. If you're flying from your phone and you don't have the paid for extra remote. So we're gonna check that out and see. It looks like I got a pretty good signal. Oh wow, the sun's coming out a lot here. I have to turn the screen resolution or the screen brightness up on my phone. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful picture. So anyway, this is all I'm doing today. I'm just not really going out here from the Nagarkot, just kind of flying the drone around, testing it out. Yesterday I had some issues. Um, okay, it's telling me to lower the altitude immediately because there's some wind picking up pretty extremely here. I'm pretty high up there, so yeah, strong wind warning. I'm bringing her down. Hopefully I don't lose it on this test run. There's some gusts coming through here and there. I don't see any real issues, to be honest. But yeah, the gusts are coming through for sure. They're popping through. So I understand why it's being conservative, especially up over the mountain ridge. The manager here was asking for me to do like a bit of a shoot for their homestay here, so I'm gonna do that right now, just for fun. I mean, it's not I'm not spending much time or doing any sort of professional quality here on it, but since I'm out here anyway, might as well. So that's the homestay, and I'm up there sitting on the top floor actually. Hey, I don't know if you guys can see me. I'm in a bit of a shadow. But yeah, so this is Nagarkot's up on the top of the mountain, and this is sort of a a little bit lower down. The wind's picking up. I'm going to bring this in. Actually, it's picking up pretty heavily right now. That's a bit sketchy when the wind really kicks up there. Well, when you're on manual mode, apparently um, it won't do the hand recognition and land automatically. You actually have to hold the landing button and put your hand down, so it's a little bit different. So it's something I'm learning about the Neo 2. Yeah, maybe the Neo 1 was like that too. I didn't fly it in manual mode very often. But I think in the Neo 1 it did actually still land on your hand even in manual mode, but I don't know, I could be wrong. This was a while back. So anyway, that's the end of the video for today, guys. Just having a little bit of fun flying the drone, and that's it. All right, see you guys tomorrow.